What's going on, guys? I'm gonna do a little quick run through of what a Honda technician is supposed to have. So let's start off with the box, I guess. I got a 68-inch Epic Series snap-on. Nothing too much on the top. Got my computer. Got my laptop. That's for running like times for MPIs, putting recommendations on ROs. We do it digitally as well as we write them on regular ROs. Got my TV powered by the computer for doing, recalls, looking up service bulletins, etc., etc. Got my other personal laptop that runs with my DSTI. That's for running DTCs, checking actuators, all that good stuff. Like I said, I keep my top pretty clean. Got a couple little cars, NSX, Skyline, got a CRX and a Civic. That's cool. Let's see, the first drawer, this is mainly what I use on a day-to-day basis. So Honda uses pretty simple, not a lot of sockets. Got 17, 19, that's a 21 for Toyota, 22, and these are just miscellaneous stuff that I don't use too much. Got my little snap-on to taking off, small stuff. What other sockets? We got some 8mm, 10mm, 5.5s. Got some 10s, 12s, 14s. Got a 10 swivel. This comes in handy. Little 10 swivel, I like that one a lot. I rarely use these two. I have them just because I use that one a lot. Got the snap-on 1/2 inch. All this snap-on. This has got a locking head. I like this one a lot because you could pivot it, lock it in place. This one's a pivot head too, but it don't lock. Couple extensions. There's a snap-on set right here. It's magnetic. I rarely use it. Got my magnet. Got a mirror. Jumper box. Chewing tobacco. Headlight. It's a cool. Got this off the snap-on truck. It's CRKT. It's a nice blade. Couple extra batteries, some MRE rations, Honda Bond, it's RTV, brake caliper pusher, piston pusher. I gotta put that back in my set. Snap-on hook. That pops off our little clips, all them little plastic clips underneath, and some on the top. Yeah. Basic stuff. Next drawer, my wrenches. That's where I need to put this at. Little snap-on kit. Let's see, I put it there. I'm missing a couple. Probably left them in customer vehicles. Got my butane solder. Some feeler gauges. We use at Honda .008, .012. Not too many of them. 17s, 14s. These are ratchet type and fixed. 17 side, 19 side, 10 and a 12. This comes in handy. It's a 10 and a 12. Got a 19 and 17. Not sure what those are called. Crow feet line wrenches. 10 and 12. 10 and 12 is a popular size for Honda. Got the 8s, got the 10s, got the 12s, got the 14s. And let's see what we got here. 15 16ths for the outer tie rod nuts. 19, 14. Snap ring pliers. Gotta have those. We got a extractor kit. It's a small one. I have a master set at my house. I keep forgetting to bring. There's an extra one I broke, so Snap-on gave me another one. This is for German cars. Sometimes I work on Volkswagens. What else we got? This is my junk drawer. Got some electrical stuff. Cheap multimeter. That's the Bluetooth Snap-on multimeter. I like this one. I got this one about a year ago. Just so I ain't got to call nobody over. Be like, hey man, can you hold this meter while I check these readings? So I got the Bluetooth app on my phone. Comes with an amp clamp. Thought that was cool. Infrared, IV, whatever, UV. Check for oil leaks, HVAC leaks. Some impact stuff. I use that to hit out CV axles from the knuckle. Electrical kit. This is my refrigerant sniffer. Test light. Not too much in that drawer. Different variations of stuff that we might need. We might lose stuff. Different lengths, different size Phillips, flatheads, Snap-on stuff, some dikes, needle nose. Real simple being a Honda Tech, real simple. Ball joint pusher, blackjack tire fixer, universal brake caliper pusher, piston pusher, torque wrench. I got a Dremel. This is for I don't know, I believe in Infiniti or Nissan transmission fittings. I haven't used this in so long. That was when I worked at another dealership. We worked on a lot of Nissans. Yeah, it's for doing transmission services. Different fittings and stuff. Oh, let's see what's at the bottom. The bottom's more junk. Paper from my personal printer. Just because y'all know printers are hard to connect to Bluetooth to find one in the damn shop, so I got my personal printer. That's my DSTI, couple hammers, 90-degree grinder, wheel, and a straight head grinder. Got a pneumatic. What's that, a Mac? I don't even know. I rarely use that anyway. Some grease, some oil lube, some engine assembly lube. What else? Oh, there's only 2 more drawers, man. I need to fill this bad boy up. This is one I use the most. That's old though. That's a brush. I need to get the brushless, but this is the brushes. I had it rebuilt once, like a year ago. It's all right. Need to start putting some more electronics in there. There's a paperwork drawer. And that's about it. I like this box because you got this little button right here in case you're working at night. Turns on the light. Thought that was pretty sweet. Yeah. Basic. Pretty basic. We put our ROs right there. I got my own little what do you call it, refrigerator. I painted that valve cover gasket a long time ago. This is from a K24 engine. Let's see. I painted this a long time ago. I gotta clean it off. I might sand it down and repaint it. That's for one of my little engines at my house. That's about it. Simple being a Honda Tech. I got my little welder, just in case somebody has an exhaust leak I need to fix. Brake bleeder. That's about it. Alright guys, y'all have a good one. Happy Thanksgiving.